cooked on that test.
And that's why it's so important, Branksome students, that we band together to make a positive difference in the world and make sure this charity gets the funding they need. And yeah.
Miss Gilbert, where are the scissors? I can't find them anywhere. Where are they? Miss Gilbert, where are the paintbrushes? I can't find them. Where are they?
Can we be dismissed early? It's Thunder Crunch Sandwich Day at the CAF.
Is the printer broken? Can you print this for me? Do you know where we're supposed to be right now?
Miss Kennedy, where's your card?
It's in my bed, but I can't find it. I mean, in my locker. I mean, in the library.
How's the IA coming? You know it's due tomorrow, right?
When's the IB due date?
I forgot my book. Can I read off of yours?
Yeah.
Mr. Chim, I'm gonna need an extension for my IA over the weekend. Mr. Chim, I know it's after the weekend, I'm gonna need 2 more days.
Several days later.
Mr. Chim, I just need to finish my graph, and then I'll submit it. I promise, by the end of the day.
Where are we? See?
Done!
My uniform's in the wash.
Okay, everyone, let's take out our supplies.
Do you have another pencil? Does anyone have any paper? Can I borrow your highlighter?
You will not believe what happened. Oh, do you guys need your desk? I was just gonna eat lunch here.
I don't have my music! Where's my music? Where's my music? Miss, I don't have music!
I promise I'll bring back my uniform tomorrow. I swear. It's like in the wash. I've given myself like a reminder on my phone. I promise, Miss Flynn, I'll bring it back tomorrow. I promise, I swear.
I was away in class, what did I miss?
Yeah, so how do I get a 7? I had all the feedback, then I get a 7. Just tell me what you want me to write so I can get a 7.
I'm really cold. Can I wear my sweatpants in class today?
What are you doing?
Do you like my nails?
Oh, I'm so cooked.
Do you have any snacks? Can you open the room next door? Can we borrow your key card?
I need to be pulled out of all my classes, please. Put me in IB jail.
I didn't have time for lunch at lunchtime, so can I eat during class? Is this being marked?
No.
These are my running shoes. I can run really fast in Air Force Ones.
Bruh, I know I'm here for therapy, but that test I took was so sus. I am cooked. I know it's 7:30 in the morning, and I have practice at 3:30, but can I just leave all of my stuff here? Is that okay? I'll just keep it here all day. Is that okay? I'll pick it up, I swear. Oh.
Video.